Good morning all. Let us discuss about base catalyzed rearrangement reactions, in which first one is benzylic acid rearrangement or benzylic acid rearrangement reaction. Conversion of alpha ketone into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid is known as benzylic acid rearrangement reaction, in which this benzyl is converted into benzylic acid in the presence of base. Okay. Here in this mechanism, first the NaOH is converted into Na plus and OH minus. Now here the OH minus is attack on this carbonyl carbon. Then first this bond pair electron shifted towards oxygen. Then oxygen get negative charge. This negative part of the oxygen undergo rearrangement. Then this phenyl group migrated from this carbon to this carbonyl carbon. Now these pi electron cloud shifted towards this oxygen, then it will get the negative charge. When this negative part of the oxygen abstract the H plus ion from this carboxylic group, then sodium alpha hydroxy sodium acetate is formed. Now when this molecule undergo hydrolysis by the loss of NaOH, finally the resulting product is benzylic acid. Okay. Now other examples for this benzylic acid rearrangement reaction. Here ketopenic acid in the presence of base, that is NaOH, finally it will give the citric acid. Okay. In this mechanism also the OH minus attack on this carbonyl carbon, then this pi electron cloud shifted towards oxygen, then oxygen get negative charge. By the rearrangement of these electrons, this acetic acid group migrated from this carbon to this carbon center. Now due to the movement of electron toward pi electron cloud towards this oxygen, which get negative charge, so here which acts as strong base, and the carboxylic group is acts as weak base, therefore which abstract the H plus ion from this carboxylic group and make negative charge on this oxygen center. So here when this molecule undergo hydrolysis, finally the resulting product is citric acid. Okay. These are the other examples for benzylic acid rearrangement reaction, and these reactions also follow the same mechanism. Next one, next reaction is Favorsky rearrangement reaction. Here generally base catalyzed conversion of alpha haloketone into carboxylic acid and its derivatives is called as Favorsky rearrangement reaction. Here alpha haloketone, when it treated with the bases followed by the hydrolysis which produce carboxylic acid, when it react with the sodium alkoxides, the resulting product is ester. When it treated with the ammonia, then finally it will give the amides. Okay. So here this is the alpha haloketone. Generally C double bond OR is a ketone. Here to this keto group which is alpha position, so this carbon center having halogen, so this compound is alpha halo ketone compound. In this reaction mechanism, first the base attack the base will abstract the H plus ion from this carbon center. So here this carbon acts as acidic center. Generally the electron withdrawing group adjacent position is acts as acidic carbon according to inductive effect, so which abstract the H plus ion from this carbon center and form negative charge on it. So when the negative charge of this carbon center attack on this alpha halo position, then the halogen atom is eliminated from the molecule and produce cyclic ketone molecule when this molecule undergo hydrolysis. So when it treated with the water molecule, first the OH minus ion attack on this carbon center, then this bond pair electron shifted to oxygen, then oxygen get negative charge. So when this negative part of the oxygen undergo rearrangement, then there is a scope for ring opening reaction. Generally, if this ring opening takes place from more substituted site, which is considered as A. If it is opening from less substituted position, that is considered as B. Here, when the ring opening takes place towards this more substituted group, then this carbon get negative charge. So when this negative part of the carbon center treated with the proton, finally the resulting product is simple carboxylic acid. Okay, so here if the ring opening takes place towards this carbon center, now this carbon get the negative charge, so substituted carboxylic acid is produced. Here this carbon get negative charge, so the negative part of the carbon center abstract the H plus ion from acids and produce substituted carboxylic acid. Okay, in the same manner, if it react with the ammonia, so if it react with the ammonia, then which produce amides. If it react with the alcohol, finally the resulting product is ester. Okay, so let us see the mechanism for this reaction. First, here, which is also alpha halo cyclohexanone. Okay, when this cyclohexanone treated with the base, here which abstract the H plus ion from this carbon center and make this carbon as electron rich. So here the negative part of the carbon center attack on this carbon, then Cl minus is eliminated, and produce bicycloketone. So when the OH group attack on this carbon center, first this bond pair electron shifted towards oxygen, then by the rearrangement of electrons, here the ring opening takes place and get converted into 5-member ring system. So here this negative part of the carbon center treated with the acid, which abstract the H plus ion and produce carboxylic group. Okay, so when it treated with the ammonia, which produce amide, when it treated with the alcohol, which produce ester. So the reaction mechanism is same for water, alcoholic molecule and ammonia. Okay, next example is alpha halo cyclobutanol, which is converted into cyclopropyl derivative. Okay, which is ester. Here when this molecule treated with the sodium methoxide in the presence of methanol, finally the resulting product is ester. Okay, here also, which is alpha halo ketone, when it treated with the sodium ethoxide, finally the resulting product is esters. Okay, next one, third reaction is Somlet-Hausser rearrangement reaction. Generally the conversion of benzyl quaternary ammonium salt or sulfonium salt into benzyl derivatives in the presence of base is called Sommelier-Hausser rearrangement reaction. So here this is the quaternary ammonium salt when it treated with the sodium amide. So here in the presence of this reagent, finally the resulting product is amine. Okay, so this is the benzyl position. Generally the adjacent position of the benzene ring is called benzyl position. So here this benzyl position having amine functional group, so which is also considered as the simple benzyl derivative. Okay, so in this mechanism, first the sodium amide is converted into Na plus and NH2 minus. So the negative part of this carbon NH2 minus subtract the H plus ion from this carbon center, because here due to the presence of positive charge on nitrogen, which easily abstract the H plus ion from easily abstract the bond pair electrons from adjacent carbon centers. Therefore these carbon centers having acidic nature, so which easily abstract the H plus ion from this carbon center compared to these three carbon center which is more acidic carbon. So with this carbon center easily lost the H plus ion and produce negative charge on this carbon. So when this carbon center abstract the H plus ion from this methyl group present on nitrogen, then negative part of the negative charge formed take place on this carbon. Here the negative part of the carbon attack on this carbon. So by the rearrangement of electrons, finally it will give this molecule. Here by the rearrangement of electrons, the aromatic ring is generated, and this H plus ion migrated from this carbon to this methylene carbon center and produce benzyl derivative. Okay, these are the other examples for the Sommelier-Hausser rearrangement reaction, and all the reactions follow the same mechanism as the above examples. Okay, thank you.